So the EMO is one of the biggest, it's the largest exhibition in the world for the machine tool industry. And this year we have a good participation from India also. There are 54 companies that have come from India. I think it's a good meeting point for the global industry to learn about new technologies, what is happening on the machine tools side, cutting tools side, metallurgy side, as well as lubrication. The exhibition per se is an international exhibition with exhibitors from all over the globe. And this time I think is the largest India participation at EMO. It shows the increased interest of the Indian industry in global business and trying to adopt or learn about new technology. So I'm sure the Indian participation will gain immensely from EMO. Our session today on India opportunities at this during EMO, we spoke about what is the potential of the manufacturing industry in India. If we have to become a $5 trillion economy, manufacturing has to contribute about $1 trillion to this $5 trillion. So the manufacturing holds huge potential in India. And we learned also about the investment of German companies in India. And I think this is a trend what we are seeing. German companies are interested to invest in India, look at possible opportunities in India to source from India. And if we were to sum up the key inputs from today's discussion, one is, I think India as a market, everybody recognizes India as a market. Automotive sector is going to be one of the big drivers for Indian economy. Skill development, very important that we have a closer linkage between the educational institute with the industry and academia coming together. Third, we also understood about the outlook of foreign companies or German companies when they are coming to India. What are the challenges they would face? For example, there is option of bureaucracy which is there, then there is also the tax structure in India is a little complicated. But despite of all these challenges, people are very much enthusiastic about investing in India, looking at opportunities in India. And we also have a good growth of the bilateral trade in the engineering sector between India and Germany. The export of German machines to India have increased by almost around 18% in 2022. But on the other hand, if we look at Indian exports to Germany, they have increased by 28% on the engineering sector. So I think there's a huge scope for the bilateral trade, and as we go ahead, I think this bilateral trade will be strengthened, gives immense potential and opportunity for the Indian entrepreneurs also to look at the global market.